Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. As these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Librans. Okay, so we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the Two of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Moon. Okay. So Librans, what I feel here is that with slowly and steadily you are, and maybe even secretly, slowly and steadily, and perhaps even secretly, you are trying to pave a path for a new beginning. You are trying to move out of something. That's what I feel. You are preparing slowly and steadily, preparing yourself for a new beginning, or for, it's like it's like graduating or studying something, preparing something secretly. People don't know about it, so you're doing some work actually, and then you are ready to make a move. Okay, now I have prepared for this, now I'm ready to launch this project or this event or whatever it is. So there is some preparation which you are doing slowly and steadily without the notice of others. It's something on your own, and then you are ready to launch it in the world or in the wider picture. So now that is what it is. So there is something which you are doing which seems to be on material level. That's what I feel. Maybe it is work related, maybe it is your finances. It's something which is working on your stability. Basically it can be on your own inner stability also, and then trying to launch yourself in the world. It can be that, but to me what it feels is it is a project or something, or a business, something which you are working on slowly and steadily without, and then you, it's like now the curtain, it's something you're doing, something behind the scenes, behind the curtains, and when you've done that preparation, now it's like you draw the curtains for the world to see it. You are ready to launch it in the world. It's something of that sort. Okay, and then we have the Knight of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Two of Swords. But what I feel here is there is something here which you have done, and that is a rash decision. You've taken a rash decision, and wrong, obviously it's turned out to be wrong, and your plans are really falling down. So though you were ready to display your whatever you've prepared, whatever you've done, it's ready to be open to the world, but one impulsive decision, one impulsive move, one rash decision is making your fall plans totally crashed down. Okay, and now you really don't know how to restore the balance. You want to restore the balance, you are trying to come out of it, and now the need of the hour is that you really need to balance yourself, because your plans have really fallen apart. Okay, it's really falling. So whatever this was, I really don't see it's being materialized. As simple as that. Whatever this was, it doesn't happen. Your plans are falling. Things don't seem to work out over here, and that is something because of some impulsive decision or a rash decision which you've taken, and now you want to restore the balance. But then yes, you really do, perhaps you don't even know how to do it. You don't even know how to do it, what will be the path ahead, how to move on now, because whatever it was, you had really launched it, but it's totally failed. But you are still trying to restore the balance, you're still trying to restore the happiness, you're still trying to restore the balance in some way. That is what you are trying to do. The Two of Spades is the hangman of the deck. So definitely you need to think in a better way. You think you need to think differently. The situation is stagnant as for now, things are not moving forward. You really need to have a clearer perspective on the things, and you really need to understand as to what went wrong, that things have failed. Guidance from the angels. Four of abundance. It is the time to reflect upon your relationship with money. Are you spending it too freely, or you are holding on too tightly? This can also relate to how you give yourself to others. Is your heart open, or are you holding back? Your hard work and wise investments will bring success if you are able to cater to this lesson. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.